You know that thing about being human, that we have opposable thumbs? Guess what? Because we have that, it makes for soreness in the muscles because we're continually flexing our hands and fingers throughout the day. Whether you're holding a phone, a tool, whether you're working out, whether you're holding a mouse, anything like that, it's always bringing us forward. Now, I've given you a couple tools for stretching, some taping to deal with some aches and pains in the area, but today I want to talk to you about a couple tools you can use to massage the area yourself and maybe get a little deeper into the source of your aches and pains in either your hand, wrist, thumb area or even your elbow. So one of my favorite tools to use is this cool mobility ball from TriggerPoint Therapy. This one has all these great little grippers and it's rubber so it doesn't slide out very quickly, but it's really nice for using on that big thumb flexor muscle. And you can kind of put your weight into it and then wiggle around and find some areas there, even into your forearm muscles as well. So awesome tool, but if you don't want to get that tool, you can always use a golf ball. Golf balls work the same. The only tricky thing with these is you don't want them squirreling away too fast. So really have some type of surface that you're on that it's not going to shoot out. If it does feel too firm, you can put a washcloth or something over it so it's not quite as intense. Same thing, you can use it where you need to in this whole area. If you don't have either of those, guess what? At the end of your aluminum foil roll, there's this really sturdy cardboard roller that works really well to do rolling in areas that are smaller. All right, the trickiest part, especially kind of for your forearms, is figuring out the right yoga move to get into to get it rolling on the right spot. We can always use the other hand to do that sort of rolling with, but guess what? Then we're activating and working the other hand, and then which one's going to get the attention after that, right? We can only go back and forth so many times. Anywho, figure it out between any of these tools. A little self-massage in that area where everything's flexing so often might help out and eventually solve your aches and pains problems from all that handwork. Hopefully this helps you out. Let me know if it does, and I'll see you on the next one.